Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Barbie's blue outfit from the Barbie movie and Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this. I'm just going to remove everything except for the adjustments that I've made. So for the hair, I used this ponytail in blonde. No adjustments made on that one, and this one in only bangs. For this long hair, I also colored it blonde, toggle the position Y at 0.73, Z 0.69. Scale it to 0.04. Then for the bow, I use this bow in the type 3 toggle in this color, E6D4CE, in silk I think, or light silk. Position the Y 0.64, Z 0.68. Rotate the X to 0.29, scale it to 0.11. Now for the outfit itself, I wish I could use the shoes that are like double color, but it's just not the vibe for it, so I just use these Mary Janes and these socks as well in the high toggle, and then color it white. Then for the skirt, I'm just going to use this one here in this blue 182856, and then this kind of color for the button 725F21. For the shirt, we're going to use this in top only. Color the first one the same blue, the second one white, then the third one the same gold color. And that is pretty much it. Oh, also these hoop earrings in white. If you want to, you can kind of adjust it to look more like her earrings. I just realized you can do that now here for some reasons. So I'm just going to add these earrings on top. I'm just going to make them slightly smaller, like that, and then I'm just going to kind of position them downwards and more to the front a little bit to get that like shape. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oh, also make sure this is matte. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.